Tesla, pretty much flat on the day. What I do want to point out though is we pretty much did give back all of the earnings call, the earnings, bonanza. We gave back all the gains. So we ran all the way up to 1093, and then pretty much just with the rest of the market gave it all back, right? So this market, I do want to emphasize, I want to put a big exclamation point on this. If you are involved in the markets right now, this is not a time to be swing trading. This is not a time to be telling yourself, are we going to, is this the bottom? Let me load up here. I think that maybe in 2 weeks from now, we're going to be higher. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. This is definitely not a time for longer term investors to start putting on a bunch of positions here, saying that, you're going to, add a bunch of stocks to your long-term portfolio. Not the time. This whole year has been a complete, if I be honest, a complete shit show. Volatility to the upside, volatility to the downside. Who's benefiting in this market right now? Day traders and scalpers, 100%. You have to love this volatility if you are a day trader or a scalper. Personally, myself and the Discord team, guys have been absolutely killing it. Intraday trading, scalping, so forth and so forth. As you see here, if we just kind of look back to just a few weeks ago here on Tesla, major run up from the $800 area all the way back up to this 1145. We have had some extended selling. This did present some opportunities to go short and make some money, and then we kind of chopped around here. But if you've ever traded Tesla, you don't need Tesla to move 100 points a day. Tesla moves, in dollars. You can get in on a good level, meaning that your technical analysis is on point. You do have some sort of strategy, and Tesla will give you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points very, very quickly, allow you to take a trade, be done for the day, and kind of wash it up. With that being said, I want to get into the technicals here on Tesla. Off the earnings, we did come into the upper channel here. That upper channel range being about 1075. Now, obviously, we broke above that. We could not hold that area. Still to the long side, there is no long trade, especially if you're looking to hold a Tesla overnight. There is no long trade under 1092. That's just a fact. Over 1092, we do have room to stretch back up into the 1150s. So definitely want to mark those levels on your chart. I do not know when we will get there. Just when in doubt, when we do get there, you know how to play that. But what I kind of want to look at here, yesterday's lows, today's lows. This is creating a channel here, 2 touch points here. You can see these bottom wicks. If next week Tesla starts to give up 992, does have room back down all the way to around 970. Keep that in mind, because if you're looking to day trade and we do lose that level, you can get in on a short position there, or you can buy put options and definitely make some money on that trade. Now, below that, Tesla is going to have a lot of support. We do have some of this consolidation down here at like this 975, but like I said, we are looking to play that 993, 992 break to the downside and play it into that 980s, 970s. Other than that, I would kind of leave the short position alone until Tesla loses the 50-day moving average. Right now, 50-day moving average is sitting at around $935. If Tesla does lose that, does have room down to around 900. So there's a 30-point move there. Remember, stocks are going to trade from supply to supply and demand to demand. If you guys have no idea what that means, you guys don't know anything about price action or supply and demand, you guys need some help and you guys need some education. You guys need to do a little bit of homework on technical analysis. Join my Discord. Hell, I'm giving you guys a free strategy for scalping and day trading the first 1 to 2 hours of the market open. It's completely free. It's a 30-minute video course outlining and showing you guys how you guys can step into this market, use options or stocks to benefit yourself, to make 1-2 trades if the opportunities present themselves, and kind of walk away from the markets. Especially in a time like this when there's a lot of volatility going on, stocks are pretty much going up, going down, and pretty much going sideways. You definitely do want to be taking part in potential day trades and scalps to kind of generate that cash flow until the longs or until the overall market starts to sort itself out. But when you kind of look at what the triple Qs did today, I mean, the NASDAQ futures were down 400 points, okay? 400 points. I mean, absolutely insane. Look at the triple Qs down 2.5%, another 2.5%. I think this takes us to a correction, pullback, correction, bear market. I think this takes us into a 18% correction on the NASDAQ 100. If we do get that, 1.5%, technically we're in a bear market, but call an ace, a spade if you have been looking at the overall markets for the past couple of months. it's pretty safe to say that any long-term investor has been absolutely crushed. So they would call it already a bear market. Just look at what the triple Qs have got going on here. If we do start to lose a 325, we do have room to 318. Guys, trade with me each and every single day live. Ask questions, join the Discord, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm throwing out technical analysis videos that are going to help you profit. It's going to help you save money if a trade is going against you. It's going to help you protect your capital. So many people I see that have talked to me, hey, I bought XYZ stock at such and such price and I'm still holding. What do I do? And it's like, if you just look at the technicals, forget about the company, forget about the earnings, forget about who owns them, what financial company, owns, 50% stake in the company. None of that matters right now, guys. None of that matters right now. Earnings are being sold, earnings are being pumped and then dumped. Guys, this is a different market than we were in 2020. This is a different market than we were in 2018. In different market that we were in. It's a different market than even last year. The complete shift, you need to be making adjustments in how to manage your capital. With that being said, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. God bless everyone. I hope you guys all enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys all in the next one.